Hey everyone, we're Phil and Deb, and we are DIY builders building our box truck. We're doing the Maxxfan install today, so we're just gonna kind of briefly give our game plan of how we think it's gonna go, and hopefully we'll follow that plan and it'll be fine. But as DIYers, we know you kind of have to be flexible and go with the flow.
This job, we used a telescoping ladder. We used several measuring taping apparatuses, including a tape measure and several straight edges. We used a caulking gun with silicone metallic waterproof caulking material. We used butyl tape. We used a marker. We used painter's tape. We used a miniature portable sander. We used an impact. We used a drill, and we used a jigsaw. We started by measuring out where we wanted our fan to be, and then we just drilled holes in each of the corners. Went up top, made sure it fit with the template, cut it out, and then we actually went and purchased some 2x2s at the Blue hardware store and made a little frame because our ceiling is rather flimsy, which might be something you want to consider depending on what you're working on. We put butyl tape below so it pressed in and kind of got squeezed around for some of the weatherproofing, and then we also put some silicone sealant around it as well. It may have been worth trying to find a self-leveling sealer. We kind of went for functionality over beauty. A self-leveling one would maybe be a little bit prettier.
We just finished installing our Maxxfan mostly. There's a couple things that we didn't do to fully complete it that you'll do when you're doing it yourself. So one of those is the interior trim. So this, they give you a lot, so you'll need to trim it down to size. For us, we're probably only gonna add maybe another inch and a half on our ceiling with the insulation and roofing and everything. So if you think our build is fun, you wanna know more, follow along. We're Phil and Deb, building out a box truck, hoping to move our cats in sometime. We'll see you next time.